That's crazy in the smoke. Man, that shit crazy, blood. I'm on the news, B. I'm on TV, blood. Yeah, got the surf in the bag. Alright. Niggas really in the trunk.
طيب انا يعني السياره بدي اشوفها الزلمه انا معي اليوم السياره بكره بدي اشوفها يعني اليوم مش ما
وصي علي استناني تطلعش استناني لا تطلع يلا سلام هاي بدي اوصل فهد على الدار وظل جاي زمايلنا على شارة المخيم يلا
Welcome to Jordan, blood. What's up, bro? Going inside. He just posted up.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro, what's up, blood?
Shalom later.
Oh, for real? Yeah, we're gonna go get that chicken, blood. On photo.
Take a video?
Yeah. قلتم انا بدي اجيب دجاجة اليوم، you know what I'm saying؟ بدي اجيب دجاجة عايشة. This husky nigga. Oh, foul. What's up, blood? See your face. Nah, I'm not gonna see your face. Husky gang. Gang shit, nigga. I'm foul, no. My chicken? Hajaji? I'm gonna get a big chicken. Where the big ones at? Get that chicken, blood. Yeah, let me get chicken, blood. What's up, G? I swear I'm going on, guys. I'm about to catch a chicken and take that bitch home with me. It's my friend's house. He got a farm. Got a bone gang of chicken, blood. I have to keep the door open. From this side, well, this chicken fat as fuck. I'm gonna catch this one right here. I want this nigga. This nigga more clean. But do I finish my square or just boom gang that bitch? Well, this nigga's fat. Yo, blood. What's chicken? Because this one's too fat. This one was a little skinnier. Let me take the skinnier one, nigga. Because if I get that skinnier one, it's not gonna run that much. So you guys tell me, should I get this fat one right here? Should I get the skinny one? I'm gonna get the skinny one or the fat one of them. He told me I can grab anything I want. But that one in the corner, that one's the fat. That one's too fat. Yeah, this nigga fat. I want the fat one. But I'm still smoking. Let me toss my square and grab that bitch. But I don't know if I need to turn off the camera and just grab this nigga, bro. I should have tell that nigga to record me. I'm telling him to record me. Yo, where you at? How am I gonna record the chicken? How am I gonna record me boonging in the chicken? I need someone to record me, blood. You know what? Yo, G. I need you to record me. Fuck, I'm gonna turn off the camera and just boom gang this nigga. I'm gonna get one of these small little chickens. Let me see. أول شوي وين؟ أخذ هذا الصغير. أخذ هذا. أعمل هذا. تعال 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 انا بمسك لك اياه. ايوه Malo. Got a chicken GI as well. Huh? Let's go outside. خليه شغال بس يلا روح برا. يلا روح. Fuck. Got a fucking chicken, nigga. This one? Got a chicken, bro. This one? Yes? Alright, man. Say less. امسك. Got a chicken GI swear off. Fuck, man. My chicken GI swear. I'm gonna raise this little chicken. It's my little chicken on 4-0. Let's go. You ready? يوتيوب حكوا لي امسك دجاجة ويربيها. You know. So this is the farm. This is the store. My friend, he got a chicken farm. I caught a new chicken. You know what I'm saying? The other one had like a third eye or some shit, or a little dirty. Well, I got this one. This one's like a gangster ass chicken, bro. Got a gangster ass. I'm full on. So this is a gangster ass chicken I got. And I'm about to take this one home with me. You know what I'm saying? It's my chicken. It's real. It's not fake. It's my chicken. So I saw it on phone. I just caught a chicken. My friend, he got a chicken. He has a farm of chicken, so I just caught one. Chill out, blood. On phone on. Little chicken ass nigga. I don't know, man. What you want to see? سجل.
تروح عليه بتقول له ابوي محبوس بمركز امن فيلادلفيا وسط البلد عمان، عليه مشكله متناقر مع ناس وبدهم ناس يتكفلوه قرايبه اخوانه مثلا على عمك. يلا رقم الحكى معك.
Bro, been like a whole hour since I'm trying to find my bird. Oh, you know, baby Samir, he lost my bird, and it's not in the cage that I put him in, and he lifted up the box and it's gone. So I'm trying to find my bird. شفت الصور؟ صور تبعي.
وين هو؟
لا
هو اخوه.
هذا اخوه؟
اخوه
وين؟ دغري هون؟
دور عليه بالحوش بعيد، ما طلعش برا هذا.
بس له برا، عن شو سمعت؟ شو بساسك؟ الاساس بموت كل بساس انا. Osama said the cats ate the bird. I said if the cats ate the bird, I'm gonna kill all these fucking cats then. I'm trying to get my... If the cats ate my bird, I'm gonna kill all these cats because I don't know which cat ate it. But hopefully, he's still alive and I can find him. I'll let you guys know. He probably lost or a cat ate him. That's what Osama said. So I'm gonna be looking around the house trying to find my bird. I'm sure the spot where I put him in. Right? So I put him in this blue cage, whatever. Alright, I put him in this cage. What the fuck are these ants? All these ants because I put this fucking rice in a piece of bread to feed my chicken. I mean, whatever. I lost my fucking bird. It's a white bird with black. It's crazy. I think we'll find. I should have recorded more with it. It's crazy. Damn, Osama. I just tempted out Osama with that fresh hat. Damn, blood. You looking fresh, boy.
ما تخلصوا.
You fresh, boy. Yeah, Naeem G.
نشوف صوت. شو.
Full.
ما تخلصوا.
Osama so fresh. Osama so fresh. Osama so fresh.
خلص صوت واحد.
Hey, صور, hi video. Yo, I found the bird. A bird was in the guest room, was in the door. And me and Osama, we fresh. Osama is a mafia in Chicago. Osama is a gangster in Jordan, blood. You know what I'm saying?
ولا صور عليك قالوا
No, I'm not. قوة لكم بدي سيجارة.
سيجارة؟
Yeah.
صورك؟
كيف تصير؟ ما لك التليفون
خاوة.
ممكن التليفون والله
Alright.
شو تنزل باليوتيوب؟
ما بنزله يوتيوب. شايف خاوة خوث بين انا مش قاعد خوث عليه. اسمع انا مش قاعد خوث بدي شايفه حلو صح؟ شايفه فل. شوفوا كيف معلم.
Hey.
Oh, what's up, G.I.'s World? Going to the store right now, so up there. Finna go get a pack of squares for my neighbor. He said, go buy me a pack of squares. I said, I bet, so I'm on a mission. It's not my money, it's his money. He said, go buy me a pack of squares. $2 for a pack of squares. I heard Chicago costs like $14 for a pack of squares. This is Arab money, this is two Arab money. You know what I'm saying? $2, two Arab money. You know what I'm saying? Got camels in the back. Got the camels in the back. Finna ride till I can't no more. You know what I'm saying? We got the Arab money. Pulling up to the store right now. No cap. So we turn off the flash so it doesn't make it awkward. I don't know, man. Let's pull up to the store. سلام معلم. السلام عليكم. بدي باكيت كنت. Got smoke. $2 for a pack of squares. Shukra. $2 pack of squares. Now we're going back to my neighbor's house. Probably gonna pause it. Probably not. Yeah, probably gonna pause it right now and just pull up to my neighbor's house. Cause it took so long, guys. 2 minutes to walk over there, blood. So we got the squares and we dipping. Shout out. I'll put the link in the description for all my I'll put the link in the description for if you want to shout out a guy, I'm gonna shout out your Instagram. I'm gonna shout out the dude with the chicken and my new subscriber. You know what I'm saying? I got you. I swear on the phone on. Just to let you know, I stay real 100. I stay 100% all the time. Salam.
Salam.
Habibi, man. I'm at my neighbor's house. I gave him the pack of squares, then I came back outside. What are we doing? I don't know. Probably gonna upload this video, but I'm gonna show you this and flip the camera. That's Osama right there. This is the mafia boss. I gave Osama this brand new hat. Mafia. Osama so fresh, nigga. This nigga fresh as hell, B. Look, Osama looking like a gangster, G. You a Chicago gangster, but you all fresh as. Some fresh blood on photo.
أبو شخص.
احكي مافيا.
مافيا.
احكي on phone.
أفوفونا.
Hey, on photo.
أيه أفوفونا.
Ayo.
ميرها.
This is a G.I.'s World. What's up, G.I.'s World? This chicken is a savage, bro. I mean my bird or whatever it's called. I got it's savage. Last time Bro, he keeps running away. Blood. Fuck. Come here, Blood. He's gone. He's under the couch now. Like what? Bro, this chicken this bird is a savage. This is I read it on Facebook. Oh, there he is. I'm gonna flip the camera. On Facebook, you guys told me, Seattle Gang told me to name it Speckles. But I don't want to name him Speckles. Speckles is in the house. He's in the guest room, and look at him. Where is he going, Blood? Like, well, I found him. He was in his guest room. He flew away. He flew away many times before. And I got him yesterday at like 1 a.m. Or today at 1 a.m. What's today's date? 11:05 p.m. Yeah, I got him. But bro, I need to go catch him. I got a whole cage. I was feeding him water too. I was feeding him water and feed him some water. You guys just tell me if you see him. You see him? See him? No. Is he here? Found his ass. There he is. He's under the couch, Blood. Catch his ass, Blow. I'ma catch you, bro. This dude's savage. Alright, I'm gonna go catch him. Then I'll be back. So I had to lift up the couch, and I caught his ass. Let's go outside with him. And I plucked a few feathers. I let my neighbor pluck a few feathers off his ass so he doesn't fly away. So now he's not gonna fly away. But let me just show you me feeding him, or me feeding him some water. So what I do to feed him some water is this is the water using a clean day, whatever. This is real water. I can drink this water too. Now I'm on the floor. See me? Yeah, I'm on the floor laying down. Feed him some water. I already fed him some water. Can you even see his head when he goes in the plastic? Yeah. Wait, hold on. Eat. Open your beak. Open your beak, Blood. Open it. Open your beak. Do that. Oh, phone on. Eat some. Now, hold on. You gonna be on the floor? Like, cause I already fed him in. That's why he's shy. Open your beak, bro. Open your beak. Please open your beak. You need some oxygen, bro. Oh, wow. You eating now. Yeah. Yeah, eat some. Yeah. Can you see him? Or you just see him? So toss him in the cage. He's in jail right now. Yeah, this little Fifi, he's in jail. You know what I'm saying? I got him in a cage. It's not really a cage because the door is open. And it's open from the top. See? It's a fat ass door. And if I just flip the camera, close it like this, the door is on the wall. You know what I'm saying? The door is on the wall. Oh, I see. Now it's open. 24/7 camera with the bird. Should have tossed the water in the cage too. Should have fed him some rice. You know what I'm saying? That's why if I want to put him, I'm gonna put him on the wall. Wait, hold on. There it is. Oh, I'm gonna toss his water. Fuck! I just spilled a bunch. There's your water, and you're gonna be a cage. There we go. Don't fall. Hope it doesn't fall. Yeah. You can see him. Should I remove this little wall piece right here? Should just remove it. So paper. Should I remove the paper? I'm about to remove the paper too, so you guys can see him too. But this is the end of the video. I have a pet bird. Thank you. My new pet bird. His name is not Maverick. It's like Logan Paul. Logan Paul had a parrot. I have a bird. I wanted the chicken. I'm not trying to copy no YouTubers. I'm not trying to copy no one. I want a chicken, or I want a pet tiger. I'm gonna get a tiger. Shout out, what's his name? Mike Tyson, whatever his name is. Whoever got the tiger. Who has a tiger? I heard it's Mike Tyson. Mike Tyson got a tiger. I want a tiger. I've been wanting the tiger when I was young or whatever. You know what I'm saying? I've been wanting the tiger, so I'm gonna get a Cypher's tiger. I told myself, if I'm gonna get a chicken, I'm gonna get a chicken. This looks like a chicken. It's not a chicken. This is a bird. And I heard it lays eggs. So you guys see in the video, whatever. I talked to him a long time ago. I mean, not a long time ago. A few hours ago. Like, you know, as soon as I got him. He said this bird lays eggs or whatever, you know what I'm saying? Probably lays eggs, probably doesn't lay eggs. We're gonna see what's up. I fed him some water, some rice. See this chicken. He's everywhere. Should I fuck around, call him Chicken? His new name is Chicken. I'll give him a few names. His name's probably gonna be Chicken. You know what I'm saying? Cause chicken. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. His name's gonna be Dragon, cause Dragon sounds like a gangster ass name. You know what I'm saying? Okay, Kate. Oh wait.